What is a unit rate? So I went to your textbook and I took a picture of their definition. It says a unit rate is a comparison in which one of the numbers is being compared to one unit. Well, that's not a very good definition, so then I dug a little deeper and I found a better one. A unit rate is a rate in which the second number, usually written as the denominator, is 1, or 1 of a quantity. For example, 1.9 children per family. So that would be, it would look like this. 1.9 children per family. One family. So this meets the definition. There's a 1 in the denominator, and the terms are usually always different. Children to family. How many children per family? So that's a unit rate. Another example, 32 miles per gallon. 32 miles per gallon would look like this. 32 miles per gallon. Here's another example. 3 flavors of ice cream in each 1 banana split. These are all unit rates, and unit rates are often found by scaling other rates. All right, so let's look here. Let's go to the next slide. In class today we're going to do a activity called bargain shopping, but it doesn't do you any good to do the bargain shopping if you don't know how to find a unit rate. So I have some examples that we'll use here that should help us. So in this example right here, it says, let's make a deal. Your objective is to find which is the best deal, and then bubble in the option. Well, we'll just do this here on the iPad. So we have to figure out if Sargento or Velveeta is a better deal. And right away, you notice that you have a dollar amount, and then you have slices, a dollar amount and slices. So to turn this into a unit rate or find the unit rate for Sargento, so we'll do Sargento, you have to take the dollar amount, $2.48, divided by 10 slices. So if you do that, $2.48, and you can use a calculator and punch it in there, $2.48 divided by 10 gives you 0.248. That's 0.248 cents per slice. This was slice. Per one slice. That is a unit rate. Now obviously rounding is important. So if you have 0.248, this is, the 4 is the number you're thinking about changing, the number next door, and you should have learned this. If it's 5 or more, it bumps up the 4 to a 5, so that would make it 25 cents per slice. And that is the unit rate for Sargento. Let's try Velveeta. Velveeta says $3.18 for 12 slices. So we want to find out how much money it is per one slice. So we divide 318. I have my calculator right here. 318 divided by 12. 318 divided by 12. That gives me 0.265 cents for every one slice. Once again, with rounding, if you have 0.265, these are the pennies right here. If the number to the right is 5 or more, it would round up to 0.27, which is 27 cents per one slice. So what's the better deal? The better deal is Sargento. It's cheaper, 25 cents a slice compared to about 27 cents. All right. Let's try the Oreos. So we'll do Oreos right here, and then we'll do Chips Ahoy, and we'll compare. So we're just practicing finding unit rates. So if it's $2.98 for 15.5 ounces, we need to figure out how much it would be per ounce. So we have dollars on the top and ounces on the bottom. And for Chips Ahoy, we have dollars on the top and 14 ounces on the bottom. Okay? So what do? We say $2.98 divided by 15.5, and I get 0.192. So are we going to round that? No, we're going to leave it 19 cents for every ounce. That's how much that one costs. So the unit rate for the Oreos was 19 cents per every ounce. Okay? Now let's do the Chips Ahoy. So that's 250 divided by 14. And this one we get 0.178. Well, we got to round. This is 5 or more, so the 7 is bumped up to an 8, so 0.18. So it's 18 cents for every 1 ounce. That is the unit rate for the Chips Ahoy. Oops, I wrote that in the wrong spot here. So let's go back. It was Oreos was 19 cents. Right here, Oreos. Chips Ahoy was about 18 cents. Who's better? Option 2, Chips Ahoy, 18 cents for every ounce. All right, so those are some examples. In class today, you're going to do some bargain shopping, and you guys like to shop. And what you'll do here is every group will have this sheet. I'll put you into groups. You're in charge of going grocery shopping for your family, and you're on a strict budget, and you have to find the best deal to figure out how much for one item, the unit rate. We're doing the unit rate, how much for one item, one item. Okay, so there's a practice one here you can read over. You need 12 cans of soup. What is a better deal? 6 cans for $3 or 10 cans for $4? So can you figure that out? So how do you figure this out? Once again, you say, I have $3 or 6 cans were $3. How much is 1 can? So $3 divided by 6 gives you 0.5 or 50 cents for 1 can. 10 cans of soup were $4. So $4 divided by 10 would give us 40 cents a can. So the better deal is 10 cans of soup for $4 because it's 40 cents a can. All right, so when you get with your group, you have a list, and your list is right here. This is your list. And pay attention to the number of items on the list. Okay, pay attention to the number of items. So you'll move around the room. And you'll write your work here. So your work for soda will be here. And make sure you tell me which choice is better. Choice 1 or choice 2. So you'll show your work on each of these and make sure you say, is it choice 1 better, choice 2 better? Then what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you cut out. You're going to cut out this. I'm going to cut this out. And then you're going to cut each one of these out. So you'll have 6 strips of paper. You'll have to be efficient. Make sure your name's on the back. So let's pretend that we're writing our name on the back. So you got to have your name on the back. And then you put the strip of paper into the bag located next to the problem. I'll pull out names or strips until I get the first 3 that get it right, and they get a prize. So today we're working on unit rates.